Managing costs within your supply chain can be a cumbersome process. With Specright, you can easily send out requests for proposal or bids to your supply chain partners. Here you can click on New Exchange Request as we will be exchanging data with our supply chain. Take note that there are several types of bids that can be created, including master bids, category bids, and supplier bids. We will select master bid and complete the relevant details around the bid request. Once completed, we click Save and are taken to the bid page to attach the associated specifications requiring pricing, as well as the supply chain partners who we would like to request to participate. Adding items is simple. You click on the Add Items button at the top of the page to quickly search and find the items you would like to include in the bid request. Clicking Done will show all the specifications that have been added to this bid. You can now identify the quantity tiers for the pricing you would like to request for each specification. Once completed, you can also add partners or suppliers that you would like to participate. Clicking the Add Partners button at the top of the page will show you a filtered list of accounts in your system which have active partner licenses and therefore can participate in your RFP workflow. With all the necessary details completed for sending out your bid, you can now select the Submit Bid button at the top of your screen, and the system will allow you to review your submission. Note that you can decide to remove specific specifications from the bid if you only want one buyer participants to bid on that specific item. You would do this by unchecking the box for that specification for the other suppliers so that they do not receive a bid request for that item. Note the status updates to active and a supplier bid has been created. These are the bid records which the suppliers will be placing their bid details on. Suppliers will receive notifications of the bid request and a link to the request. Jumping into a supplier view, we can see all active bids that have not yet submitted. Note that this view can include bid details such as their start date and end date. The system can also send reminders to the suppliers of an approaching due date. Clicking on our newly created bid, the supplier can view all of the requested specifications and quantities as well as any files that have been shared. Note the data you have entered in the bid request is grayed out and locked. The supplier can add their price information as well as any quantity break differences if applicable. Once complete, the supplier clicks the Submit Bid button, and this will email you to let you know that a supplier has completed your bid. Reviewing the specification in your system, you can compare pricing and details received from all the requested parties by reviewing their related supplier bids. You can then select the Award Bid button at the top of the screen and select the specification to be awarded to the partner. The bid is now complete, and additional workflows can be initiated based on your business processes. Specright's RFP bid process easily connects your specifications with your pricing request and allows for simple transitions and pricing comparisons.